Did you know butterflies can remember what they learned as caterpillars? Or that many of their beautiful colors are made by bending light with precision-made wing scales? How do they do this? We can measure their learned behavior when they are caterpillars and check for the same behavior after they go through metamorphosis, emerging as colorful works of art. We can use powerful microscopes to look at the scales on their wings to figure out how their colors are made. But how the memory is passed from a caterpillar through metamorphosis into a butterfly remains a mystery. And how precision scales are made anticipating butterflies' needs and our joy at seeing them has no scientific explanation yet. Maybe one day we'll figure out how it all happens, but they are just the beginning of mysteries the Creator overcame when He made butterflies.